Yes, I think I did that. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Taylor Monet, and I'm coming back with another video. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into this video because we don't got no time no waste. You did. I got buku of these rubber bands on deck. So by the time of this video, you already know I'm gonna be trying to do an experiment. A slick back bun with no gel. Let's go. So I got my part together. Now I'm just going to section off like. Alright, so I have my hair parted in 4 sections. 2 in the back, 2 on one each on the side. The cream that we're going to be using today is the Strengthen and Restore Smoothie Jamaican Black Castor Oil line from Shea Moisture. It's pretty thick. It's a very thick cream. My hair necessarily doesn't do well with creams, but this one, it actually does have slip. I have actually tried it before, but I use it in the shower. So this will be a little bit different. I mainly just want to get this part up to about here, wet, damp. Really hate spraying water on my hair. I don't know why, but I just really hate it. Like, I just hate the feel of wet water on my hair. Really creamy, and I can tell it's packed with oils. The first ingredient is water. The second ingredient is glycerin. So that's why I really lean towards this product. It's has a lot of slip in it. I just felt that it would really give my hair some great hold. Sure, I put some at the back here. I just really want to make sure I'm taking good care of my hair since I did bleach it. Let's see how it smooths back. Okay, it's actually smoothing out really nicely. I just want to make sure all of it is smooth, and I am going to go back and fix that. Alright, roll gel. So basically what I'm going to do is tie it back up. Have you ever dealt with a person or people in general that claim they have the best interest in you, but literally just keeps fucking over you? Like, friend, family, whatever you want to call it. Like, literally, I hate when people lie and mess up. And it can really affect you in a way that you don't want to, because in the midst of them lying, you'll really think that they aren't, right? Take into consideration of what type of people you want to be around, what type of people you want to be situated with, and what type of people deserve to be in your space. Period. Period, poo. What's something else I can talk about? YouTube. Y'all wanna know one thing I hate about YouTube? How strict they are on monetization. I can't talk. I think y'all know that by now. Like, they are literally too strict on the monetization. That's the word. On the videos, on their videos. And it's like, it's so hard to find music for your videos, like, especially if you're a small YouTuber. I'm gonna keep it all the way 100. Small YouTubers do not get enough credit, not getting enough credit for their content. But I mean, all you could do is really just keep going. That's all I can really say. You can't give up. You just can't. Because it's definitely enough. I mean, it's way more small YouTubers than it is people that you know, like with 1 million subscribers, because more people found out about YouTube so late in the game that all these people that got 1 million subscribers, not speaking for everybody, just speaking for people that I know that been on YouTube for a long time, they been making videos. So that's the only advantage I say, and they stay consistent with their videos. So I definitely will say that's why they do get the credit that they get. But I love the fact to see a YouTuber that's been on freaking YouTube for 6 or 7 years and like just now making it to 100,000 subscribers. That is freaking awesome. I don't care what nobody's saying. That's awesome. Cause not everybody have the time and the patience to keep doing something that they really want to do. Because not only do we have to fight our own personal demons, we have other things that we need to do. Like, and sometimes not sometimes, literally all the time, with YouTube, it literally takes years to really come up off of YouTube, because it's so many other people you're competing with, and it's like everybody's saying, pick me, pick me. I want to have this many subscribers. But I love watching YouTubers that care about their subscribers to the point where they are creating their own content. Like, it's theirs. Like, it's literally theirs. Like, they're not copycatting or trying to be like somebody else on YouTube. It's literally what they want to do. And it doesn't matter if they have 5,000 subscribers, 20,000, 1 million, like, they doing what they want to do. And that's really why I love watching small YouTubers, because it does give me inspiration to keep going. And also, it also shows me what you're capable of while being a small YouTuber, because you have that shot. You can make creative content and still be come out successful on YouTube, period. And I know that for a fact because I started from zero just like everybody else. And I'm gonna comb this section out all the way. It can't be something that, you know, you just wake up one day and say, I'm gonna be a YouTuber. I'm gonna be a YouTuber because this and this and that. It's more of a material thing than what you actually came to YouTube for. That irks my nerves. Like, literally. At one point, it literally discouraged me. Like, at the mid 2017, beginning 2018, I don't know what freaking happened, but literally everybody just found out about YouTube and just ran with it. And kudos to the people that actually ran with it and did something with it, like actually grew from it and actually figured out that this is something that they like to do. But some people just, like with me, I think like once I actually like feel like I could be a full-time YouTuber or something like that, which I am not. I'm speaking futuristic. You know how like some YouTubers, they would get once they get like big and stuff, they don't really be wanting to edit anymore. Like they literally would hire editors to edit their videos. I'm not saying nothing is wrong with that at all, but I'm not saying that at all. That nothing is wrong with getting an editor to edit your videos. Not saying anything is wrong with that, because I honestly don't think nothing is wrong with that. Everybody has a personal preference on what they like dealing with YouTube and what they don't like when dealing with YouTube. Me personally, I know for a fact that I would still edit my videos, only for the simple fact that I love my own creativity with YouTube and editing. Like editing to me is like the back end of your channel. Literally, that is what makes your channel. Your personality, your creativity, dealing with editing, personality, flavor of your videos, if that makes any sense. I feel like I'm gonna wet this one a little bit because that one a little too frizzy for me. Okay, I'm taking this fake diamond brush because someone stole my real one. Y'all, okay. I'm definitely gonna be using creams on my slick backs. Okay, the last product I'm gonna be using is the Coconut Hibiscus Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. Y'all, I just found out about this product like Friday. Today's Monday, or Tuesday now. Alright. Okay, y'all, so I think I'm done. Like, just gonna spread a little bit. One product. So basically, that's gonna be it for the video. I'm so excited. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe, because you wanna know what? I'm on the way to 10K. You heard me, and it's gonna be a giveaway. Oh. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who.